if you understand that the real luxury is the time that you spend on our world. The simplicity is the new luxury.
When I was offered to visit this project, the location was in the middle of nowhere. Ladies and gentlemen, today's episode of Design Seed, we will be revealing the inside of this jewel of rare beauty of the past that questions the lines between its past and the future. As an interior designer and the host of Design Seed, I'm always in search of amazing or inspiring interior design and architecture contents. When I travel across the world, I always look for extraordinary projects to visit. This time around, during our visit to Italy, we came across this captivating project, and that's what we're going to share with you today. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or have not subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and stay in the loop of more compelling and captivating interior design and architecture contents. Tucked in the tranquil hill of Maiano in Florence, this heritage tower was where I spent 3 nights of an unimaginable stay. Located in the biggest botanical garden in Italy, the Botanic Garden of di Maiano, this tower holds a beautiful story.
I was born in Dolomites because actually my family had a company in Dolomites, and the union between my grandfather and my grandmother created this farm here in Maiano. This farm is one of the biggest botanic gardens in Europe as extension. An Englishman, John Temple Leader, knew that Queen Victoria was coming to visit him, and he was looking to build something that the Queen actually could be attract. And for this reason, she decided to stop here and to make a watercolor sketch of the place.
With its neo-Gothic architecture, the tower's fairy tale appearance transport you to a beautiful dream-like space unlike any other. Designed by an award-winning architect, Simone Micheli, has transformed it into a work of art, contrasting its historical exterior with futuristic interiors.
When I started work on the tour, we decided to create one suite with different levels because we have a ground floor, first, second and third. So we decided to create one little kitchen and one space for take lunch or dinner, the ground floor. The first floor we decided to create one little lounge. At the second floor, the room with a little bathroom and a little spa on the top.
On the ground level, as you enter through the 2 portcullis solid doors, a cozy kitchen and dining area awaits your arrival. The owner explained to us that the mural painted on the wall was an artist's impression of the view back in the older days. And in respect to the historical values of such an art piece, the architect decided to maintain the murals as a feature wall. Immersed in history and nature, we experience the peace of a dreamlike moment in the present.
Because this little tower is very famous, where Michelangelo stay and work. I believe, if I remember well, 20 square meters for each floor. So it's very little. But the amazing story inside is the stairs.
The most venturesome and captivating part of this tower to me is the 4-story spiral stone staircase. These medieval staircases are only 3 feet in diameter in total, which means the staircase can only allow for one person to walk up the stairs. On the first floor, a spacious living area with high ceiling volume and an interesting contrast of modern furnitures highlights the playfulness of Simon Michele's futuristic visions. An interesting blend of the existing concrete cornices from the tower itself merges in a modern TV cabinet in mirror finish, pleasantly creates subtle combination.
We decided to maintain the old situation, put the right on the wall, or for create one matching, one contrast with the historical situation and the contemporary furniture that I designed, because you know that I design everything. So I don't choose from the market the piece, but I design all for the space.
Stepping onto the second floor is a romantic minimalist bedroom. White micro-cement flooring with textures, white walls and ceiling arches of the existing tower was maintained, and behind the headboard hides a modern-looking minimalist bathroom. It's fascinating to see how little details from modern days like lightings, glass and mirrors could turn such a rustic Gothic building into such a modern space.
My inspiration starts from the nature. I don't copy. I understand the spirits. I look the nature where all is perfect.
The highlight to the Torre di Maiano has to be this rooftop. The space was designed to be a wellness retreat, a space for spa, bath and relaxation. The existing windows of the towers are less than a feet in size, which allows for sufficient natural lighting, yet complementing the privacy needed for the spa. Other than the Turkish spa on the top floor, the tower also boasts a private outdoor jacuzzi curated for personal wellness. A relaxing open sky retreat that is cocooned in stone walls and lush greenery. The modern forms of Simon Michele's custom-made furniture paired with the tower's historical structure convey the sense of journey through time.
Big dream in a little tower, because the dream is big. Also in one little place is possible to create one work of art. So, big dream in one little space that the people consider masterpiece.
Thanks to the shared vision of the architect Simon Michele and the owner of Torre di Maiano, their restoration project has transformed the tower into a timeless retreat. With artistic ingenuity, Simon conveys the sense of journey through time in every detail to this little tower. As nature anchors us in the present, we bask in the beauty of yet another jewel of Tuscany. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like what you watched today, please subscribe to our channel and support us in growing the interior design and architecture content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.